This is Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click at this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. From here you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So first tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to allow notifications or whether you would like to enable notifications, or you can skip this step. The same applies for setting Opera as your default app for browsing. And finally over here you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.